Ah, how do you do there? Big dear, flapjack and beans, welcome back. I don't know what they know about me, but I've got big feet. I've got a big belly and I've got big feet, but I've got size 13, probably a bit wide feet, UK spec, which I've always tried in 48s, but I noticed that Klim did a 49, but I searched the whole globe, and of course all the shops in England, sports bike shop, man in a cap, all of them did don't have a 49, they sometimes have a 48 for this particular boot that I wanted to try. So I like the boa system, and that's what this has got on it. And I like the tag at the back so I can get something to hook it on when your leg don't bend as good having a new hip. But anyway, that said, I went all on and thought bollocks to it. And I ordered them from Brazilla.com, you know, in America. So after paying duty and after the boots and everything, they've come close to 500 quid, which is like double probably what they paid in England. But I thought, well, if boots bleeding fit you when they come, why worry? So we aren't rambling on too much. They've just arrived. And I've had a nightmare with Fedex, honestly. But anyway, here we go. Right, so this is what we've got. This is the parcel that's just come. As I say, Fedex. The guy who actually brought it said he's getting nothing but bollockings everywhere he goes because his people are just so far behind with the deliveries. And it cost me, like, in our money, probably 55 quid or 75 quid, I can't remember which, to get these here. So you just think to yourself, I know we've had an holiday and I know they're on people and all that, but you can't talk to anybody, it's always a robot. Here we go, Ravzilla.com. Hey, Ravzilla.com. Right, so let's open this baby up, shall we? Yeah, I don't know what you think you do when you're a motorcyclist or one trying to be. Anyway, here we go. Let's get the suckers out. Not that bad, were it? Right. So what does it say on here? Does it say it was about 49? We'll open it up. The Klim footwear, look. Posh box. That's what you can see. Oh, we've got. You have Klim inserts, look. If you want to half size, remove insole, insert half size insole, replace insole. What that means, no idea. So there we are. Let's have a look. I'll zoom that up there and show you the boot. That's the boot. That's the sole. What nobody ever shows you when they show you boots, they never ever. Well, I don't seem to see it. They never show you that bit. But you can see, don't try them on with that inside you, where you can see if they're easy to get in or not. That's what I like to see, how wide they open up and things like that. So, instructions for you, so I just want to see that it says 49. We get some glasses on so we can see, what does it say in here? There you go, EU 49, US 14. So that means I'm always a size down from the Yanks, so I'm a 13. But I'm whether they're going to be wide enough. So let's give them a shot. So there they are. They're on my feet. This is the boa system. What I was trying to show you. Pull that, press it. And you wind it. Like so. To as tight as you want. So they feel okay, I think. They won't break in like all boots. Look. See how we're going. What do you guys think to them? Anybody got a pair of Klim Outlanders? That's what they call the Outlanders. Okay, it is a job when you're getting older. You know, getting older and less bendy and fat bastard like me, you know, I've got my socks on and I've got my shoes on just. But it's an ordeal. Sorry for your thin guys, you know, I've never been that thin in my life. But anyway, here we go. So, Castle Rock Petrol it's called. That's the colour. It's basically grey. I thought that would match my... what's it called? Klim Marrakesh. That's our dog barking to kill somebody. Yeah, these are called the Outlander. GTX boot, Gore-Tex Boyer, impact protection, RD, whatever that means, 3mm Scotch-Lite, Nest Flip technology. Redesigned for better performance on and off the bike, the Outlander GTX boot brings motorcycle protection sensibilities to the comfort of a waterproof hiking boot. Peg support, discreet joint protection, and excellent walking comfort combine this great solution for widely ranging conditions. From cross-country rides to daily commutes and quick hikes, the Outlander GTX boot effortlessly supports your motorcycle lifestyle. Gore-Tex. Well, yep, that's a brand name. Guaranteed to keep you dry, durable leather construction, aggressive sole for traction on varied surfaces, 3mm Scotch-Lite, C1790 black protective, blah 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 blah, boa for lacing system, Nest Fit automatically optimised footbed technology. So there you have it. There you have it. So if you're a big guy and you want a size 13. Order a 49 or a 48, particularly from Klim, because they are a little sized under, I believe. So I'll report back on my ride when we go out, probably going out tomorrow or Saturday, I don't know. Right now I'm just struggling getting off and on the bike after this hip. But don't want to keep harping on about that, at least I'm riding on my new KTM 1390. Lovely bike. So have fun, catch you later.